Can you discharge your income tax debts in bankruptcy? Now this is a very, very complicated topic, and this video clip will only provide some of the basic rules to discharging taxes in bankruptcy, but by no means can we give you all of the rules in such a short clip. But generally speaking, just for general knowledge, you can discharge income taxes in bankruptcy cases most of the time if you filed the tax return and if 3 years have gone by since the time that tax return was due. That's the big rule, the 3-year rule. You filed the return and 3 years have gone by since the date the tax return was due. In cases where you filed a tax return late, a couple years late, there's a 2-year rule. If you filed the tax return, you signed it, you filed it, the IRS assessed those taxes. 2 years after the date of that tax assessment, it may be those taxes are also dischargeable in a bankruptcy case, whether it's a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13. Now there are many, many other rules that apply to these situations. Now, one of the key things you have to keep in mind and that your bankruptcy attorney should do in every single case where there's a significant income tax debt present is you need to request an account transcript from the IRS. What an account transcript tells us is when your return was filed, whether it was filed by you or whether the IRS filed a substitute return. And it's important, you can only discharge taxes you file, not taxes filed by the IRS. The account transcript will tell us what the present balance is on the account and whether a federal tax lien is present. And that's another significant factor. When federal tax liens are present, it becomes very dangerous and your bankruptcy attorney must be alerted to that fact. If you have questions about discharging taxes in a Nebraska bankruptcy case, please call me at the number below. This is a very complicated topic. We have discharged, I can't even tell you how many thousands of tax debts in bankruptcy, but it's complicated, and if you file a case one day too soon, you may find that none of the taxes are discharged. There are some very special rules, extra caution needs to be applied, and we handle these cases every day and would love the opportunity to talk with you about your tax situation. Thank you for watching.